Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve financial decision making, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding your financial goals is the first step in improving decision making. Identify both short-term and long-term objectives. Determine what you want to achieve with your finances, whether it's saving for a vacation or planning for retirement. Next, gather all relevant financial information. Compile income statements, expenses, and investment details. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. Now, create a budget. A budget acts as a plan for how you will allocate your funds. Track your income and expenses to ensure you are sticking to it. Once your budget is in place, prioritize your spending. Identify essential expenses and differentiate them from non-essential ones. Cut back on discretionary spending to free up more funds for savings and investments. Incorporate a method for tracking your financial decisions. Consider using apps or spreadsheets to log transactions. Monitoring your choices will help you recognize patterns and make adjustments. Educate yourself about financial products and markets. Read books, take online courses, or attend workshops related to finance. The more knowledge you gain, the more confident you will be in your decisions. Consult financial experts if needed. Sometimes, getting a professional perspective can clarify confusing situations. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique circumstances. Practice critical thinking when evaluating financial options. Analyze the pros and cons of each choice before making a decision. Don't rush, take time to reflect. Consider the long-term impact of your decisions on your financial goals. Finally, review and adjust your financial plan regularly. Life circumstances and financial markets can change. Be prepared to adapt your strategies to stay on track with your goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.